In this video, I'll show you how to send or transfer money from PayPal to your bank account without any charges using the PayPal mobile app. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Transferring money from PayPal is very easy, even if you're using the app for the first time. PayPal gives you two transfer options when moving money to your bank. The first option is a free transfer, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. The second option is an instant transfer, which sends money almost immediately, but includes a small fee. Since we want to transfer money without charges, we'll use the free transfer option. Before transferring money, you need to make sure your bank account is linked to PayPal. Open the PayPal app and sign in. From the home screen, tap on the wallet icon located at the bottom right corner. Here, you'll see your available PayPal balance and any banks or cards already connected to your account. If you don't see a bank account linked, tap on Add Banks and Cards. Choose Banks, then search for your bank or select it from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Depending on your bank, you may need to enter your online banking details or confirm your account using verification steps. Once finished, your bank account will appear in your wallet. Now, tap on your PayPal balance and select Transfer at the bottom. Choose Transfer Money. Then select the free transfer option. Make sure the correct bank account is selected. Tap Transfer Now, and PayPal will begin processing your request. After 1 to 3 business days, the money will be deposited into your bank account with 0 charges deducted. That's it. Simple, safe, and completely free. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.